Okay.
Okay,
let's go.
so you have the audio too? Okay, so
Yeah.
what we have here is liquid nitrogen, okay, and it looks kind of like water, like boiling water. And we're gonna pour some of this liquid nitrogen into this little receptacle. And you can see that at room temperature, it's boiling. You can touch it with your finger. You wouldn't want to leave your finger in there for a long time, but it just feels cold. Now, I'm gonna drop it on the floor, and you can see what happens when it hits the floor.
Oh wow.
Okay. So liquid nitrogen has a boiling point of minus 196.5 degrees centigrade. That's about minus 420 some odd degrees Fahrenheit. So this is a gas. If you freeze it at temperatures as low as more than 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and at the same time put it under a lot of pressure. So if you pressurize it and you bring that temperature down, you turn that gas into a liquid. But at room temperature, it's reverting to its gaseous form. The air we breathe is 4/5 nitrogen, 1/5 oxygen. So we're in a sense we're nitrogen breathers, but we can survive without that bit of oxygen.
Right.
So
Wow.
it's pretty chilly.
Yeah, that's
And
awesome.
you can see
Good night.
how that's gotten pretty cold.
Yeah.
The metal will actually contract so that I can't, it won't fit. It's hard to get it to fit on top of its container because it's actually, the metal itself is actually shrunk.
Right.
So after this thaws out,
It'll go back to normal.
it'll go back to normal. It's a great way to cool off in the summertime.
Yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome.
So you can take a flour and you can take an ordinary flour and dip a flour into this and then tap it, and it'll shatter into like thousands of little fragments.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you.